Hi everybody, it's me Berenice again. Welcome back to Virtual Lego Club. This week we are going to be doing something fun and simple, and it's one of your creations. We're going to be making a pair of glasses. So let's go ahead and get started. The pieces you're going to need are 2 1x8, 3 1x4. You're also going to need 4 1x6, and 12 1x2, and you can make these any color you want. What you're going to want to do first is grab the pieces that I grabbed here, and then you're going to want to grab 3 of the small little pieces, and you're going to want to put 1 on each end, and then on one side you're going to want to stack an additional piece on top of one of the smaller ones, and you're just going to do the same thing for the other side. And the next piece you want is this 1x4, and you're going to put it right here where you see me putting it, in between these 2 pieces, connecting both sides that we just made. The next thing you want to do is grab another one of the 1x2s, and you're going to put it on the ends of your glasses. And it's going to look something like this. And then you're going to use that piece again, and you're going to put it on the piece that we used to connect both sides. Next, you're going to want to go ahead and close off the tops of your glasses using a 1x6 piece like I did here, and you're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. And they're going to look something like this, and they're pretty flexible, so you can adjust them to your face. And then the final thing that you're going to want to do is create the part that will go around your ears, and you're going to do this by stacking your last few pieces that you have and creating something like that, and you're going to make 2 of those. Now the final thing you want to do is just go ahead and attach your glasses to the piece that we just made, and you're going to attach it to that piece right there. And there you have it. Here is our final product. Now let's try them on. Don't they look great? Can't wait to see what yours look like. Please be sure to share your pictures with your glasses on our Facebook and Instagram. And this will also be a chance for you to win some points and win some great prizes. If you want to learn more about our incentive program and how exactly it is that you can win some prizes, please go and check out our Facebook page. We made a video there explaining all of the details on how exactly you can enter to win. See you next time. Bye!